Are you ready to truly escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones are here to deliver unparalleled quiet. These aren't just good. They feature industry-leading noise cancellation that melts away distractions, whether you're commuting, working, or just need peace. Experience focus like never before, making them ideal for serious users. Beyond the quiet, their incredible 30-hour battery life means your playlist or podcast won't quit on you, even on the longest flights. Forget constant charging. These premium headphones are built for endurance. And with multipoint connection, seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone without missing a beat, enhancing productivity and convenience. What truly sets the WH-1000XM5 apart is their elegant design paired with smart features that adapt to your environment, offering a personalized listening experience. If you're searching for the ultimate listening experience in 2025, these Sony headphones are a serious contender. Check current prices and more details via the Amazon link below. For anyone upgrading their audio gear or needing the best noise-canceling headphones available today, the XM5s deliver exceptional value and performance. In conclusion, if you want top-tier audio quality, unmatched quiet, and smart features, the Sony WH-1000XM5 are absolutely worth investing in.